Yo, what's going on, guys? Edward here with another video. Crazy day. Look how NASDAQ keeps pushing. Today, Monday, reaching new highs. Let me show you this. It's nice day. Look, NASDAQ definitely creating new highs, flying. Look at that. It broke the highest ever. There's a couple of highs, and so it's gonna be creating new highs. As I predicted here, the price will be either pushing up, then coming down for a retest, and then start to create new highs. So let's see how it goes. How it went today on NASDAQ, and today was actually very volatile at the beginning, creating this big rejection. I'm going to show you a little bit in a small time frame. I had actually this entry from Friday last week. I had one open entry. Let me see if I can find you that right here. I'm actually looking on the Telegram group. Don't remember exactly. Wait, hold on a second. This was with the US30. This one. Yeah, it was this one. So basically, this is what I did on Friday. Basically, it was coming back, doing a retest, and then look what the price did right there. Price did this retest, and I was able to get in on that retest. Let me go on 15 minutes so you can clearly see that pattern. The price break above, came down for a retest, and then started to push up. I was closing my entries right here. I closed most of them. I just left one open that it just touched profit today. One entry, beautiful. The price kept pushing up. You can clearly see, let me remove that so I can show you on a 5 minute. I sent you the analysis as well for today. I was telling you guys, like, the price was actually right here. I thought it was creating some type of flag pattern at the beginning. Let's see. Let me go on the time the market opened right here. Look at this. So the price started actually to calm down. It started to break structures. At some point, I thought the price was going to reach, it was gonna continue down, but it was pretty much like a fake out. But I was able to take the advantage, and I was able to take some really good profits right there on that fake out because the price kept pushing up after that. So the price kept coming down, breaking the structure. All the structure right here on a 5 minute, breaking this structure as well, coming down. So as I see that the price is actually breaking the structures, one after another, and as the price started to consolidate at this zone here. And then on a 1 minute, I started to see that small little flag pattern right there. This one right here. And a 1 minute, I was thinking, okay, if I see a momentum candle, if I see some type of sign of volatility, definitely breaking down and coming down to this level right here, or even breaking this last low, I'm sorry, I will be going in. So I started to see, look, immediately at 8:30, which be 3:30 p.m. in South Africa, 9:30 a.m. in New York, the price immediately started to drop and melt. So I entered aggressively at the pretty much right here when I saw, because it was too fast. It was very fast. Like I was not even able to get in here. As I saw that the candle started to push down, I was able to get in right here when I saw the breakout of this last low. Price kept pushing down. This was so fast. It was literally like 1, 2, 3 minutes. On 3 minutes, I was taking my profits right here. 3 minutes. It was like 35 pips. at this. So I was actually out. Then of course, as soon as the price came down, it started to push back up immediately. Showed you there, creating that big rejection. Let me remove now the line right there. So you see that big gigantic rejection on the first hour, second hour, another rejection, and then it started to push up. Now this is the one that is breaking completely above. The price was definitely bullish. It didn't want it to push down. The price has been showing signs of rejection. Even on Friday, last Friday, the price didn't want it to come down. It was creating these big wicks right there. That's telling you something. Whenever you see wicks like this, you know the price doesn't want to go down. Or if you start to see them on the top, like right here, the price doesn't want to go up. So it's indecisive. It's on a range. So the wicks are telling you things. So basically, I was able to go actually, like if you, I mean, you could see that the prices keep pushing up, but I was able to catch actually this little drop down right here at a moment. Beautiful entry. Volatility was crazy at the beginning, but I was able to catch, and the guys also from the team were able to catch some really good pips today with NASDAQ. And also US30 was beautiful. Let me go on the US30 now. It did a huge drop. Now it's coming back up right there. Look, it's coming either for a retest, but we'll have to see. But it did a massive drop. Look, from the very beginning, when the market opened, this is what I see. Let me close this right here. This was my entry. I was aiming for this low right here, this last low. That was my take profit right there, basically. All right. Now, many people were asking me, like, how did you know that the price was going to drop? I didn't know. I'm not magic. I'm not, you know, I'm not a goat. I cannot guess where the price is going to go. I can just, you know, follow my price action. As I always tell you guys, if I see the price consolidating on the zone, it tried to break above. Let me go on a higher time frame. You can see here 15 minutes. Let me go 1 hour. Let me go 1 hour. Price is creating massive rejections to the opposite. So big wicks, right? Big wicks, big wicks, big wicks is telling you the price doesn't want to go down either. You know, this is a nice resistance right there. Right here, the price also wanted to break, but you know that this is a very strong support right here. So the price on a 1 hour, you saw that the price was actually breaking now this structure, okay? So that's a sign, okay, first structure broken. So after the breakout with this massive momentum candle right here, the price has started to consolidate for a couple of hours, right? If I go on a 15-minute, or if you want to go 5 minutes, you're going to see it clear. Right, the price started to create this type of consolidation right there. It looks better definitely on the 15-minute. Right, I had it actually on the 15-minute right here. Yeah, this big wicks rejections, the price was trying to break below, it didn't want it to, but it was consolidating. So I was like, at this point, I send you the analysis as well, and I told you, I send you a voice note on my Telegram, and I told you, guys, when I send you this, I usually send you this, like something like this, right? It depends. All right, when I'm sending you this, I'm basically telling you, if you see a clear breakout to the downside or clear breakout of this structure, we're going for a sell. If you see a breakout to the opposite side, you know, this structure, very strong, we're going to go for a buy. Simple. Don't get things complicated. You're not going to be getting into buys or sells inside this block. It's too dangerous. And that would be gambling basically, because you don't really know. Nobody knows. Joash, Naidoo doesn't know. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. The banks are the only ones that know that. So safest way for you to get in either on a buy and a sell is if you see a breakout. If you see a breakout, a candle, an actual candle, the body of the candle breaking below the structure, not a wick like this, you know, because if you would have waited, you would have gotten maybe here on a sell because you thought maybe this price, the price was actually breaking below, but it didn't. On a 15-minute candle, look, the 15-minute candle tried to come down and then it came back up. So, you know, it's not, you have to wait for the candle to close. The time of the candle to close, which is right here, the time of the candle. If you don't wait for that, then you're lost. You have to be patient. You have to wait for the close. Even right here, let's say you enter, you waited for the 15-minute candle to close and the candle closed here. Then you would tell me, Eduardo, this is too late. You know, it's too late to get in. It's not too late to get in. You know, if you saw a big candle breaking down, look how many pips still continue dropping. Of course, if you're going to get in there, you have to know that your stop loss has to be above this structure rate to go safe. Okay, then you can aim 1 to 1, 1 to 2. It depends. But you can aim for a next level. When is the next level? You go back in the past and then see where was the next level right there. This one was one of the last levels, right? Or the first levels. Then there was another level right here. So you could have aimed first take profit right here, or you would have closed most of your take profits right here because you know that there was a big rejection in this zone. So be careful right there. We're almost like in the middle of the trip, you know, from here to here, we're like right in the middle. So you would have been taking most of your profits right here, then you would have let one open and let that thing run up down here. So that's basically it. If you guys were getting in on a buy here, it doesn't make sense for you to get in on a buy because there's nothing telling you to buy. And this is just falling price action. If I start opening my indicators on the 15-minute, you see that in this consolidation, the price is where? Below the 50. So we're looking for sales. Aha, you got the first signal. Then let's say you want to open the Ichimoku cloud. The Ichimoku cloud at this point right here, you see that, well, the actual cloud was starting to be above the price. So the price was actually now below the cloud. So, okay, another signal. And now you open the WMA and what do you see? What do you see? Right there. Already was on the sell pretty much from here, from this big drop, this massive breakdown below of the structure right here, consolidation. This was sell, man. This was pretty much on the sell. On a 15-minute was looking already for a sell. And now I'm seeing that because I didn't even use the indicator because I know I just follow price action. I'm just using it right now to show it to you, but I didn't even use the indicators. You know, the indicators are created pretty much to detect and to help me follow. But since I already know price action, and I pretty much know that by the time I'm getting in here, and if I see a clear breakout, I'm going in. And if I happen to open my indicators, I know my indicators are going to tell me that all of them, the three of them, are going to tell me to sell. They're telling me to sell. I know. So beautiful entry on a sell, guys. The price is coming back up to most likely do a retest. And in fact, you can, like I mentioned, you can do, you can draw your Fibonacci from the top right here to the bottom. Now, we definitely broke that strong resistance right there, very strong. Support. Now this could start pushing up on a daily, maybe. If it starts pushing up, it could be maybe a wick. It's going to be just a wick like that. You go. So if the price keep pushing up in the next 50 minutes, so this might be ending as a just, you know, it's a big wick rejection, and the price might be looking up for tomorrow. But beautiful, beautiful entries today. Beautiful. And even though it was Monday, you know, a lot of movement on Monday today, even though there was no news at all. I didn't see any type of news, just pure movement, pure price action. And let's see how it's gonna go tomorrow. So I think that would be all, guys. I just wanted to show you the analysis for today, how we did today. I hope you were able to catch some really good pips. And I will be sharing you guys another video tomorrow, okay? Next, the same time, at the same hour. I'll talk to you guys later. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. You can follow me on my Telegram group. We are already 1,133 followers on my Telegram group. I am also creating a mentorship that's about to start. It will be starting on July the 4th. It's going to be for 1 month. Check it out, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take it easy, guys. Take care.